Promoting and selling food products abroad is like looking after a tree. Each branch of this tree is a specific standard which products must meet in the respective commercialization market, while each leaf is a rule of law. With more than 280,000 leaves, there is a risk of getting overwhelmed. What skills and knowledge do you need to have to avoid problems? Certainly legal, scientific, and marketing skills. Law, to correctly identify, translate, and interpret the rules of different countries so that our product is not banned. Science, to know whether each individual ingredient in our recipe is technically allowed in the destination country. Quality, which means the chemical, physical, microbiological, hygienic, and sanitary characteristics required by each country. The market, in order to know the customs procedures and obligations in detail. Advertising, to know what we can and cannot communicate about our product in a given country. In Total Quality Food, you can find an ally that encompasses all of these skills in a single provider. TQF is a specialized consultancy company which has been operating for 20 years in the promotion and development of food quality. Our philosophy is to issue certificates of conformity in the absolute respect of the culture, laws, and the habits of the citizens in every part of the world. TQF offers 104 specialized services for 100 product categories in 147 countries around the world and according to 46 compliance parameters, certifying the quality of the food product in compliance with the required standard. The three areas of consultancy, legal, scientific, and marketing, coordinate professionals inside the company or operate independently to ensure the achievement of the three levels of quality in the areas of product, system, and market. The client is free to request the compliance of the product and the label according to their needs by choosing between basic, advanced, total, and personalized models. What enables us to do all of this? Through three technology platforms, TQF is able to provide real-time monitoring, updates, and interpretation of food regulation laws, provide compliance of the food products on the basis of the MUC, the International Model of Legal Conformity, and of the parameters of the tree chosen by the customer. Deliver certified legal, scientific, and marketing translation of labels in 35 languages. What are the advantages of our service? First, it facilitates large-scale distribution of products through certificates of conformity and quality seals which satisfy consumers in all four corners of the world. And then it eliminates legal costs, disputes with the inspecting authorities, and complaints by competitors for irregularities in the labels. It also eliminates the possibility for your product to be checked and inspected thanks to insured, patented, and certified labeling.